Hello everyone, today we are going to learn Chinese characters.
大
Please watch my accurate pronunciation.
大的啊大大大家大家大家一起吃饭，大家一起吃饭。大树，大树，门前有棵大树，门前有棵大树。大学，大学，他考上了中国的大学。他考上了中国的大学。
Please look at the stroke order of this character. This character is quite simple. It only has 3 strokes. Writing the first 2 strokes well is the key. Simple characters can be mastered quickly with more practice. Today's character is very common. It means larger than usual in size, number, or degree, and it is the opposite of small. In Chinese culture, it also represents respect, importance, broad-mindedness, generosity, and strength. This character is very common, so remember to write it well. That's all for today's lesson. See you next time.